What's up? Mini truck time. Alright, what do we have in store today? That's right, steering boss kit and MOMO wheel. Gonna install it right on the truck. Whoa, there we go. So if you want to see the unboxing of this, check it out right here. And then if you want to see the unbox of this, you can check that out right here as well. Otherwise, yeah, I'm gonna get to the installation and then we'll see how it looks. So I am following the instructions here. There's no airbag, but they still want you to disconnect the battery, so I am gonna do that. And then yeah, get the battery disconnected, and then we can get to install. And then I'll go to time lapse, and then we'll check out install. Alright, see you in a bit. Alright, and there we have it. We've got the wheel installed, so it wasn't actually too difficult. So obviously the first step was to install the hub adapter, and it's just one bolt, one nut actually, sorry. And the key thing there is to make sure it lines up with the splines straight on, and then also to torque down the nut to spec. So for this car it's 30 Newton meters. Sorry, not Newton meters. 30 Newton meters, so you can do the conversion for that. Make sure you don't over tighten it, because you can crack the steering shaft, and don't under tighten it, otherwise your steering wheel might get loose. And then after that, yeah, you just screw this onto the hub and then wire the horn. And actually the most difficult or complicated part was the horn wiring. For this Suzuki Carry, you only have one wire coming out of the steering column, and then the button actually has to ground to the hub. And the thing is this button that MOMO gives you doesn't have the option to ground to the hub. So if you look up the MOMO Porsche button, it has the special clip or ring that makes contact with the hub surface. Or you can do what I did and just bend the retainer clip so that it's making contact with the hub. So if you have any problems with that, let me know. I can open it up and explain it. But yeah, that's it. Otherwise, super happy with the fitment. Really dope wheel. Went for a spin. Looks super awesome. Let's give you another shot. And yeah, that's that. So what's next? Shift knob? I don't know. Let me know. But as always, thank you very much, and peace out.